Hello everyone and welcome. This is our first video for the reading program. Today, I will be reading a text about the family. Pay attention to the sound of each word, and at the end you will have questions related to the text. After watching the video, if you have any question, let us know in the comment. Enjoy your time here. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 8 years old and I'm from the USA. I'm going to introduce you to my lovely family. It is quite big and we are very happy. My mother's name is Laura and my father's is Peter. My mother has got blonde hair and she is very tender. My father is tall and slim, and he is a funny person. My parents have got 3 children. There is my brother Tim, my baby brother David, and me. Tim is a sweet boy who loves playing and being with me all the time. He is only 3 years old, so he attends the kindergarten. My younger brother, David, is a 7th-month baby, but he is full of personality. He likes being at my father's lap, and he never disposes of Eddie, his bunny.